All right, let's dive into a project that's trying to solve a problem pretty much every student knows all too well: that crazy rush for food during a short break. The solution we're looking at is called Campus Cart, and its whole goal is to make that experience way, way smarter. I mean, seriously, have you ever wasted your entire break just standing in line? You know the feeling. You finally get to the front and then the bell rings. Ugh, it's gotta be one of the most universal headaches of campus life, right? So, that exact frustration, that's what we're going to dig into right now. Let's really break down what we can call the campus queue problem. Okay, so picture this. During those short breaks, it's just chaos. Students are wasting precious time in these massive lines. Then you've got the whole mess of manual payments. And for the shopkeepers, there's a very real risk of people using fake payment screenshots. Plus, there's no real system for just grabbing your order and getting out of there. So what happens? The shops get totally swamped. It's a system that's just broken for pretty much everyone. But what if you could just skip all of that? What if there was a better way? Well, that's exactly what brings us to the solution. Let's talk about Campus Cart. Campus Cart. The name is pretty straightforward, right? But it's about more than just a single transaction. The idea here is to turn the whole campus into this smooth, easy-to-use marketplace. And it all boils down to three key words: fast, simple, secure. This isn't just some catchy tagline. These three ideas are the foundation for the entire experience, from the moment you open the app to the moment you pick up your food. So what is Campus Cart exactly? Well, think of it as a digital platform that lets you pre-book whatever you need, pay for it securely online, and then just pick it up. No queues. It's basically taking all that on-demand convenience we're used to and dropping it right in the middle of campus. Okay, that all sounds great in theory, but how does it actually work in practice? Let's walk through the whole journey, right from placing an order to picking it up. And the process itself is designed to be super simple. We're talking just 4 steps. Step 1, you pre-book your items, maybe even before your break starts. 2, you pay securely right there in the app. 3, you get a unique order ID. And 4, the best part, you just stroll up to a dedicated fast pickup counter and grab your stuff. No lines, no waiting, simple. Now, let's zoom in on that payment step for a second, because this is a huge deal, especially for the vendors. You know the old way, right? The shopkeeper has to squint at every single person's phone to check if the payment went through, which is how all those fake UPI screenshot scams happen. But with the Campus Cart way, it's all integrated. The UPI payment is verified automatically. The risk of getting scammed, it drops to 0. And for a small campus business, that is a massive, massive win. But the smart features don't stop there. You know that sinking feeling when you finally get to the front of the line and they're out of your favorite sandwich? Gone. With a real-time menu, that's a thing of the past. Shopkeepers can just toggle items on and off instantly. And on their end, owners get this powerful dashboard to actually manage the rush instead of just being drowned by it. And the whole thing is wrapped up in a super light, fast, and simple UI. So when you start to put all these pieces together, you realize, hey, this isn't just an app for students. It's actually a whole system designed to help out the entire campus ecosystem. It really is a genuine win-win situation. Let's just break down that value proposition. For students, it's pretty obvious, right? You save time, it's way more convenient, and the whole experience is just better. But for the shop owners, the benefits are just as huge. They get a massive boost in efficiency during those crazy peak hours, they completely eliminate the fake payment problem, and they can finally manage their workload instead of being buried by it. It literally makes the day better for people on both sides of the counter. Okay, so let's tie this all together. What's the big takeaway here? What's the one thing you should remember? At the end of the day, the goal is really simple, but it's also incredibly powerful. It's about taking this daily point of frustration for everyone and turning it into something totally seamless and convenient. It's not just another app on your phone. It's a genuine quality of life upgrade for the entire campus. And that really leads to a bigger question, doesn't it? Campus Cart is tackling the food queue problem. But think about it. What other parts of campus life could be completely transformed with a little bit of smart tech like this? We're talking library checkouts, event tickets, you name it. The possibilities are kind of endless, and it's exciting to think about.